Hello traders, I welcome you to E-marketTubeFX, and you are with your trader Henry Ampem. Today we are going to look at another important topic in Forex, which has to do with market structure. As Forex traders, as and when we want to trade any market, one important thing that we do first is to identify the structure of the market. So as we try to identify the structure of the market, then we can do our technical analysis effectively. Then we will know when to enter the market and when not to. I always tell my students that Forex market, we don't gamble. Forex market, we don't gamble. We do our best as traders to follow our trading plan, to follow our strategy. Then you can make that dream profit that you are looking for. So at this very moment, I'm going to share my small experience with you with regard to how you can identify these types of market structure that we have, then also how to trade it, which is also very, very important. As you do well to identify these types of structures that we have, then how do you trade it? Because in your attempt to trade it, that is where we are going to make that money that you are looking for. So at this very moment, as you can see on my screen, this is GBP USD chart, daily chart that is on your screen at this very moment. So without wasting my time, what we are going to do now is I'll quickly take you through the slides that I've prepared for you as to how you can identify or features or things that will help you to identify these types of market structures that we have. Then when we are done with the theory aspect, we'll come back to these charts. Why this trend line is drawn. I'll take you through everything. So at this very moment, quickly, let's go to the slides. Then you can also have opportunity to see what I want to share with you. So if you've joined me on YouTube or any other social media handle, all I want to tell you at this very moment is that do well and watch this video to the end. Then also do not forget to subscribe, you like, share, then also you comment. As you continue to share my content with friends and loved ones, they will also have opportunity to learn from what you are learning from E-marketTubeFX. E-marketTubeFX is a channel for newbies. There are so many complicated topics in this forex industry that I'm using this channel to break things down for newbies to understand. I'm doing this in a very special way. You can watch all videos that I've posted on this platform. I'm using a special means to explain some of these complicated or topics that we see to be very difficult in this industry for newbies to understand. And this topic that we are going to look at this very moment, I'm going to do it very simple for you to understand how to identify this market structure that we have, then also how to trade it. That is also we are going to look at. So do well and watch this video to the end so that you too can identify these market structures that we have, then how to trade it also. You can do that so that you can do your technical analysis very effectively so that you can make that dream profit that you are looking for. Remember, you are with E-marketTubeFX and you are with your trader Henry Ampem. Quickly, let's go through what I want to share with you. So at this very moment, as you can see on your screen, we are going to look at market structure. So through your price action analysis, you will experience three types of markets, namely trending market, ranging market, then choppy market. In this chapter, you will learn how to identify every market and how to trade it, which is very, very important. So as you make attempt to identify the market structure, where it will help you to know where price is heading to, how do you then trade it? We are also going to look at it today.